Hello and welcome to Igbo Made Easy. This is a very quick lesson on numbers. We're just going to learn how to count numbers in Igbo just from the number 1 to the number 10. And before you start, just know that numbers are very easy to count in more than they are in the English, especially when you get into the 19s, 100 plus, thousands, and the rest of them. So without further ado, let's just get to number 1 to 10. And if you learn and master how to count 1 to 10, trust me, you know how to count all the numbers in Igbo. It's just as simple as knowing your 1 to 10. Once you can get your 1 to 10, you have it made. You have it made. It is literally that easy. So I'm gonna sing it as a song, then I'm gonna take it one by one. So you can just learn the song and sing it too, and then later you can divide and conquer. So the song goes like this: 1 otu, 2 abo, 3 ato, 4 ano, 5 ise, 6 isi, 7 asa, 8 asato, 9 itoru, 10 iri. So what did we just say? 1 otu, otu, 2 abo, abo, 3 ato, afọ, 4 ano, ano, 5 ise, ise, 6 isi, isi, 7 asa, asa, 8 asato, asato, 9 itolu, itolu, 10 iri, iri, 10 iri. So these are the numbers in Igbo from 1 to 10. Learn them and master them, and when you do, the other part of it will be much easier.